Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is a chocolate frosty. Watch for the reveal of the fourth ingredient that everyone forgets. This comes closest to the real frosty taste. In a large bowl, we're going to combine half a tub of Cool Whip. We're making this for 4 people. If you want to use the whole tub, that should make about 8 glasses. We'll add half a can of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Again, if you want to make more, you can add the whole can. Four cups of chocolate milk, and that ingredient that everyone forgets, some cinnamon. I find if you add the cinnamon, this gives it that little bit of spice that you taste in the frosty. We'll use our handheld mixer and we'll mix this all up till it's all combined. I like to make sure that there's no lumps. All the Cool Whip is incorporated, all the condensed milk is incorporated. And get it nice and frothy. I'm doing this in a metal bowl because I find that this also works better in the freezer. Place the bowl in the freezer. And every 2 hours or so, just go and stir it all up. So that we can make it all into that ice cream thickness that we're looking for. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Then we'll take it out of the freezer and we'll blend it up. And we're just blending it until it gets that frosty consistency. Make it nice and smooth. You can use a handheld blender or you can use the stand blender. And once you have it, pour it into your cups and enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.